Welcome to the Ramsay Corporation Maintenance Technician Certification course. This industry-standard program will prepare you for technical excellence in industrial maintenance operations and equipment reliability. Maintenance technicians are the backbone of industrial operations. Your responsibilities include diagnosing mechanical systems, performing preventive maintenance, installing and calibrating equipment, interpreting technical documentation, and implementing safety protocols. Ramsay Corporation develops industry-standard assessments validated by professionals and job experts. This certification represents the gold standard for technical maintenance competency evaluation across industrial sectors. Effective preparation requires 60 to 120 hours of technical study, combining theoretical knowledge with hands-on practice. Focus your preparation on mechanical, electrical, and safety systems for optimal results. The Ramsay test includes up to 60 multiple-choice questions with a 60-minute time limit. You must achieve an 80% passing score. The assessment also includes practical components testing real-world troubleshooting skills. The practical assessment covers 7 technical areas within 45 minutes, including technical troubleshooting, equipment diagnostics, and safety procedure evaluation. All components require satisfactory performance. Test content is strategically distributed. Electrical systems 25%, mechanical systems 20%, hydraulics 15%, electronics 15%, pneumatics 10%, power transmission 10%, and safety protocols 5%. This reflects real-world industrial priorities. Key competencies include technical maintenance skills, systematic troubleshooting and diagnostics, equipment calibration, PLC understanding, quality assurance protocols, and comprehensive documentation capabilities. Real-world scenarios demonstrate proper troubleshooting methodology. Follow systematic safety protocols, perform step-by-step diagnostics, document findings thoroughly, and conduct root cause analysis for sustainable solutions. Certified technicians work in manufacturing plants, power generation facilities, and chemical processing plants. Each environment presents unique challenges, specialized equipment, and specific operational requirements. Industrial safety is paramount. Master lockout-tagout protocols, confined space entry procedures, personal protective equipment requirements, and machine guarding compliance to ensure personnel and equipment protection. Effective communication includes clear shift handovers, standardized documentation, cross-departmental coordination, and proficient use of digital tools. Strong communication ensures seamless operations and knowledge transfer. Professional excellence requires adherence to industry best practices, regulatory compliance, accurate documentation, workplace integrity, and commitment to continuous professional development and learning. Maximize success through focused technical knowledge study, practical skills development, strategic test-taking approaches, time management techniques, and comprehensive use of available preparation resources and practice scenarios. Maintain certification through 3-year renewal cycles. Complete 24 hours of continuing technical education, including 16 specialty hours, submit renewal documentation, and demonstrate ongoing skills verification. The Ramsay Maintenance Technician Certification validates your expertise across critical technical domains. Through comprehensive preparation and structured assessment, advance your career as a skilled industrial maintenance professional. Begin your preparation journey today.